Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm preparing a simple but delicious dinner and I hope you guys will try it. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful plate of food, just keep on watching. To my return supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. Those coming for the first time, welcome. Okay guys, our starting ingredients is to prepare the rice, and this is bulgur and rice. Bulgur is a wheat, very good for us. It gives us a lot of fiber. So I'm just mixing it with some rice. Yes, and here I have salt, scallion, thyme, some butter, and I'm going to wash my bulgur and rice. And my water already boiling, so I'm just going to add my butter, salt, and my season that I mentioned earlier. Then I can combine. A tip, please combine the bulgur and the rice before adding it to the pot. Okay, as you see me doing now, just mix it well to combine and then you add it to our pot. So just continue watching guys, and I'll come back when there's another step to be explained. But also the instruction will be on the screen as always. So just keep on watching guys. For this chicken recipe, the video will be up as soon as possible. Yes, so just keep an eye out for that one. Our main priority today is our bulgur and rice, okay? And here I'm just checking and make sure that my flame is on low and allow that to finish cook. Moving on to starting our chicken. I'm going to add a bit of oil to my pot, not a lot, and add my chicken. And I'm going to stir that well and cover my pot and allow it to start the cooking process. So I'll come back for it. Our chicken has been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is chicken breast guys. We don't need it to overcook so it becomes very dry. No, we don't need that. This chicken, although in the full video then I'll give that, but this can be made with chicken thigh as well. Yes, so I'm just going to add a small amount of warm water to my seasoned bowl. Yes, and I'll add some onion, bell peppers, a little bit of heat from my cayenne pepper, a little black pepper, a little ketchup, and that's I'll stir together and allow to make a nice sauce. Okay, so I'll catch you at the end of the video when it's time for me to do my vegetables. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment, and also put your bell on so you won't miss another upload. And again, thank you to all my supporters. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Yes, I do. So catch you when it's time for me to prep my veggie, guys. Keep on watching. Okay, chicken ready, and also my bulgur and rice ready also. So now it's time to steam our veggies, and as you see on the screen, I'm using some green peas, baby carrots, and corn and cob, and we're just going to add that in our pot with a little bit of salt and butter and allow those to steam for a couple of minutes, and then we can put dinner together. Just keep on watching, guys. I'll catch you at the end of the putting dinner together, guys. Yes, and here I'm just putting my lovely chicken. Yes, this is a simple but delicious dinner idea. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this one and the chicken video. Look out for that one, it's coming soon. So please like, share, comment, put your bell on, and I'll catch you in another video, guys. So stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.